Good day everyone! We will be tackling about reengineering for cycle time reduction at Procter & Gamble. But first, what is reengineering? Nicole, take it away.
Engineering, also known as process design, is the radical redesign of business process to achieve significant improvements in performances. Reengineering focuses on breakthrough. Is the improvement to dramatically improve the quality and speed and to reduce its cost by fundamentally changing the process which works gets done. Reengineering involves asking basic questions about business process, why do we do it, and why is it done this way? In this, such questioning often uncovers obsolete, erroneous, or inappropriate assumptions.
So for everyone who doesn't know Procter & Gamble, they are now a multinational company which mainly offers household products and others. But how did they get there? With that, let us welcome Sweetie Dale as she discusses their brief history.
The brief history of Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble Company, or P&G, is an American multinational consumer goods corporation headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio, founded in 1837 by William Procter and James Gamble. Procter was a candle maker and Gamble was a soap maker. This product became the foundation of their business. In 1850, the company began to add its moon and star logo to goods. Despite rumors of impending civil war, they built a new plant to sustain their growing business. 1859, P&G sales reached of $1 million. 1862, in a turn of fate, the Civil War gives P&G some good fortune as it attains deals to supply candle and soap to northern armies. In 1879, the soap business grew into a diverse product lineup of more than 30 different soap. In 1882, son Harley Procter maneuvered to spend more on advertising, marketing the soap across the nation through newspaper. In 1887, P&G initiated one of the first product sharing deals. In 1890, the inexpensive but highly quality ivory soap is introduced. The company incorporates as a means to increase cash for growth. In 1915, the company opened its first production outside of US, making Crisco and ivory soap in Canada. In 1920s, during this time, the company pushes into direct retail sales in order to create a more consistent production schedule. In 1930s, P&G buy overseas assets in the Philippine manufacturing company. Through the next decades, P&G goes to bring more product into lineup. Now that we know about the brief history, let's dive in deeper to the process they've used in the past. Russell, take it away.
Let us now proceed to the previous process. Over the past 10 years, Procter & Gamble has leveraged its cross-functional organizational structure with operations research to reduce its inventory investment. Savings were achieved in a two-step process. First one is the spreadsheet-based inventory models locally optimize each stage in the supply chain. It have been instrumental in helping Procter & Gamble to set inventory targets. Second one is a Procter & Gamble more complex supply chains. Implemented multi-trillion inventory optimization software to minimize inventory cost across the end-to-end supply chain. The past 30 years have been a massive change in P&G's supply chain operations. Digital technology is being one of the biggest drivers of such transformation. According to Supply Chain 4.0 in consumer goods, the focus of the supply chain management role has altered to advanced planning processes, based more on the actual demand from end consumers, enabled by digital analytical forecasting and integrating operations planning. Furthermore, let us talk about the implementation of the tools and techniques used for quality improvement. Kylene, take it away.
Thank you, Rosel. Now let's tackle about the implementation of tools and techniques that P&G used for quality improvement. So P&G used layout design and strategy. The Procter & Gamble company addresses layout design and strategy through real-time data. The objective in this strategic decision area of operation management is to optimize the flow of resources and information to support the consumer goods business. Job design and human resources. Procter & Gamble implements employee training program for innovation and productivity. So in this strategic decision area also support leadership and passion for winning as a way to enhance employee and career development and to ensure effective and adequate human resources. Quality management. The Procter & Gamble company's goal for this strategic decision area is to apply high quality standard in OM, or we call operational management, to implement quality standard based on the expectation of target customers or consumers. Next, supply chain management. Procter & Gamble's operations management prioritize external and internal factors that significantly influence the supply chain. So, the condition of the supply chain determines the capabilities of the company in terms of productivity and capacity. And the company aims to minimize the negative operational effects of these factors on productivity. Scheduling. Procter & Gamble's objective is to develop and implement short-term and intermediate operational schedule for optimum utilization of resources to support business needs. So in this regards, the approach to operational management involves fixed schedules for most of P&G's corporation officer and rotating variable schedules in some facilities. Maintenance. They ensure continuity in Procter & Gamble's operations management policies and strategies, leading to consistency in productivity and output of the consumer goods businesses. So, P&G has the objective of maintaining effective and adequate processes in this strategic decision area of operation management in consideration of productivity and capacity, demand, and resources. Procter & Gamble's operation management maintain dedicated personnel for each process. Next, inventory management. Procter & Gamble's operation management team focuses on the objective of matching inventory and organizational needs. So, Procter & Gamble's operational management also use buffer inventory to address sudden fluctuation in market demands. Now that we know about the tools and technique that P&G used for quality improvement, let's now proceed to the result. Marivic, take it away.
Thank you, Kylene. So, after implementing the tools and techniques for quality improvement, the following results were being observed. Number 1, reduction of production cycle to less than 4 weeks by 10 days. So, the reduction of production cycle is the primary objective of P&G. And as a result, they were able to reduce it to less than 4 weeks or by 10 days. Number 2, the faster decrease in inventory. They've decreased their inventory or the minimization of inventories to hold from 2 to 4 days in just only 24 hours. Number 3 is the improvement of supply chain management. This is the result of their faster processes. It also includes reduction of cost for material maintenance and reduction of waste. Number 4, faster process in liquidity. It's the result of improvement in supply chain for about 3 months of process, and with that, they can respond to their customers' needs in faster manner. Number 5 is free up working capital. The availability of cash helps P&G to support its functions in a quicker extent and results from rapid screening technology on their goods in any form. Number 6 is the allotment of freshly discovered areas or spaces. The screening process helps to reduce in time, so they had discovered some free spaces. Number 7 is warehouse utility expansion. They were able to expand their manufacturing utility from its reducing limit because of the discovered spaces. Number 8, switch from brand management to category management. Here, the category managers establish overall pricing and product policies, which enables P&G to eliminate weaker brands. And lastly, P&G drove grocery channel transformation. It enables P&G to improve grocery chains to compete effectively with low-cost alternative retail formats.
So that's all for today's discussion. Thank you guys for listening.